Hello everyone and welcome to another unboxing. Hi guys, my name is Zenobia and welcome to my channel. So I have my Allure unboxing today, and if you have been looking for my BoxyCharm one, I saw deleted the footage and I just haven't had time to I get the box so late in the month that I just really haven't had time to repost it and realized it wasn't worth it, so I'll give you the reviews on both this month's and last month's products in the next month's unboxing. I like to start these off by reviewing the products in the previous box. So two products I don't have with me because I left them at work. One was there was a Juice Beauty lip stain, and it was like in this pretty like burgundy rosy color. That was it's more like a lip gloss. It's really not a lip stain. It was like a phyto pigment or something like that. It wasn't really like a lip stain, more of just like a pigmented lip gloss, and so I didn't really care for it. It was really sticky. And then the lip balm I got was like, I think by Skin Food, and it was okay. It's an okay lip balm, but it's just pretty much like rubbing coconut oil on your lips. So I mean, it wasn't anything spectacular, didn't blow me away, but I still will use those products. They just weren't very good. The next thing I had gotten was the Tarteist mascara. I use that mascara today, and you know, I enjoy this mascara, so a little mini of that. I've gotten that in my BoxyCharm a couple months ago as well, so I have several of those, full size and travel size. Then we have this Youth to the People kale and spinach green tea hyaluronic acid moisturizer. I tried the face wash of this, and this is a good moisturizer. It soaks in really quickly to your skin and leaves it feeling really silky and smooth and not like sticky or tacky or oily at all. So I really like that moisturizer. However, I probably won't purchase it again, purchase it on my own, because it's not quite moisturizing enough for my skin. Like, I need a little bit more. And then we had this CLE Essence Moonlighter Cushion Highlighter, and it came with a little sponge that is not in there anymore. I'm not using that, and it looks like that little cushion. I did use it today and then topped it with a little powder highlighter. I do enjoy it. I found that if I use the sponge that it came with, it picks up my foundation and my blush, but if I just dab it in, what I'll do is just kind of dab it in my finger like so, squish it in, and then I just tap it out like this and kind of just keep tapping and kind of moving it around with like a tap and sweeping motion to blend it out, and it works out really well like that without picking up too much of the other products on my face. So that works out, and that's how I've been using it. So now it's time to get into this month's box. Hold on. Sorry, my hairs are being really noisy. So time to get into this month's box and get the plastic off of it. I'm so excited. Hot Mess Mama, I think is what her video is. She's been doing, I saw that she does the Allure too, and I'm so excited to see that there was somebody else doing Allure, not just me. So, okay, here we go. So this month's quote is, "Be the person your lipstick wants you to be." Speaking of lipstick, this whole look, I tried Christina Allen Cosmetics, and I have a little mini tutorial on this look on my Instagram page if you wanted to see how I did it. Check that out. I'm doing a different lip color. This is the lip color in Ginger Snap, and it's supposed to be a metallic matte. I don't really see too much metallic, but I like the color, like the orangey color, and the color I have in the mini tutorial was Goals AF. It's more like a brown color. So here's our little booklet that's going to tell us all about what's in here. And let's see what we got. So it looks like, oh, we've got a lot of products in this mess. So I had forgotten, a couple months ago they sent me a thing that was asking like which shade I would prefer in the Makeup Forever HD foundation. So I was really glad that I've only been to Sephora in the summer. I only get to go in the summertime, so I only have my color match there for my summer color. So I kind of try to do some guesswork and guess what my winter color, my color right now would be. So we get the Make Up Forever Ultra HD foundation. I got the color Wide 335. So let's see. Just squirt a little bit on my hand. And your hand's not the best place to swatch it, but looks like it's gonna be an okay match. My face is a little bit lighter than my hands, I think, so that I feel like I can make that shade work. It's a little bit more pink undertone than I'm used to, but it's right there. But we'll see. Let's see, that foundation retails for $43. So I'm excited to try this. I've never tried Make Up Forever's foundations. I usually need to try the projects when I get them in the subscription boxes. And we have another one. This is the Artist Rouge Cream. What is in the color C211. So let's see. Oh, looks like a little lipstick. Yep, it's a little lipstick, and swatch that. Oh, okay. I'm gonna love this. It's more gonna be about the formula. This is like the same color that I got. It's in the Barely There by the Wonder Beauty. So I like the color. It's like my perfect better your lips but better nude. So we'll try that out and see how I like the formula, especially compared to the Barely There, or the Wonder Beauty one, since that's basically the same color. Do I have that one? I don't. I'll try to remember to bring it next time. The lipstick retails for $22. Then we have a Simple Hydrating Gel Cream Water Boost. I think it's a moisturizer. Let's see what it says on my book. This looks like a full size, which makes sense. So yeah, it's $9.90. It retails for $9.99. And what are you? Lighter than a lotion. Okay, so it's like a moisturizer. That'll be interesting to try out, especially because my skin's really dry right now, so we'll have to see if that'll work out. So it retails for $9.99. Then we have an Ico. This is what I draw. This is the foundation. I'm just gonna never run out of this because I get one. I have one right here. That's in the box that I got in the subscription. And now we got another one. And it's waterproof, but I mean, I like this liner. I do. I really do. So I don't mind having multiples of it, and I'll just keep using them. It retails for $22. So, and I know I like that one. Now we have the Orbi Freestyler Working Hairspray. So is Orbi how you say it? Retails for $42. I was trying to see if it smelled. I don't like the way hairspray smells. Ugh, I hate the way hairspray smells. It smells so stinky. It smells like hairspray. Oh, and this month's products were picked out by Elizabeth Siegel, the Deputy Beauty Director. All right, we got two more in here. The Laneige Water Sleeping Mask. I have been wanting to try Laneige. I've been wanting to try their lip mask, but the Water Sleeping Mask, I love sleeping mask, and I'm almost out of all the ones I have, so it's exciting. It retails for $22. I want to smell it because I've heard it smells delicious. Ugh, it smells like hairspray in here. It smells not too strong, which is good, I guess, because you're sleeping in it, but I'm excited to try that. I love sleeping masks. They're like my favorite kind of mask. Okay, the last thing we have is the La Roche-Posay Ultralight Sunscreen Fluid. Ready for spring. SPF 60, water resistant, for 80 minutes, retails for $19. A little tiny little guy. So I don't usually wear sunscreen, like this kind of sunscreen on my face. I usually wear it in like, but I guess it's not just for your face. Is it good for your face? I don't know. Since it's light, actually I'm looking at it and I can see like the line. It looks like there's only like half full in this, so that, well, I don't know, we'll see. I'll try it out. I usually try to find like a powder SPF that I can reapply throughout the day because your SPF doesn't stay on your face. It says Simple Water Boost Micellar Makeup Remover Pads is in here too. But I don't see them. I guess maybe somebody else got that, unless it's in this box. No, I guess maybe you got one or the other, and I got this one. So that's all we have for this box. I'm going to try them all out and let you know how I feel about them last month, or this next month. Last month's, I wouldn't have paid the 16 bucks. This is actually 16 after tax and everything. I wouldn't pay the 16 bucks for that stuff. Like if I saw it in a box, I was like, buy this for 16 bucks? No, I wouldn't. But I'm a little more excited about this month's box. I know I'll use this. I'm excited to try the Laneige and the Makeup Forever foundation and stuff. So we'll see it next month. I'll let you guys know if it was worth it to me. Remember, it's always about whether it's worth it to you. So thank you so much for watching. There's a little button here that you can subscribe on and a couple videos in the bottom of the screen I would love for you to check out. And we'll just see you soon. Bye.